Diane Sawyer had him on GMA this morning, but the Insider has more from the special effects wizard who works miracles for those in need. Tonight, a husband is given back what cancer stole as the Insider goes in depth.
It's not bad. Although, I wouldn't, where I work in Navy Yard, I certainly wouldn't walk around like this.
The image is startling.
I looked like I was from outer space.
Cancer robbed Frank Halliwell of his left eye. But is it possible this father of three might someday look normal without a patch?
All these people doing double takes, and, all of a sudden I started becoming a little bit self-conscious.
Robert Barron is ready to try.
There we go. See, kind of like that.
The brilliant master of disguise used to transform CIA spies. He turned his back on Hollywood, saying no to millions of dollars to be a special effects guru. Instead, he uses his skills to give amazing gifts.
I can't wait to see it.
Won't be long now.
The Insider is with Frank and his wife Pam in the waiting room.
How you doing, Frank? Good to see you.
Barron combines paint, silicone, and clay to create this masterpiece, even an eyebrow.
You're just going to put it up kind of like that, all right? And then you're just going to press in very gently.
You can find out more about Barron's other success stories on his website at prosthesis.com, including Rachel Yaka's story. She received a new ear.
Huh? Well, you're welcome.
And Peggy Cree, left without a nose, her transformation left her in tears. And our Lara Spencer's got the most recent miracle story.
Now meet Paolo, racked with health problems since birth, including a tumor that resulted in his eye being removed at just 3 months old.
Were you nervous to reveal your new eye on live television?
Kind of.
Paolo was not only on Good Morning America today, he came to our Insider studio in New York where he showed me his brand new eye.
Was it important to you to look normal?
Yeah, I wanted to get an eye my whole life, and now I got one.
Wow.
Now it's Frank's turn. With his wife looking on, it's his amazing reveal.
I can't tell that it's not real. I mean, you've captured his other eye perfectly.
Now, Frank, we have some glasses here, too, that you can put on. Okay.
Unbelievable.
You look fabulous. I cannot get over it. I mean, you're just Frank again.
So great, and Frank said he is most excited about showing his new eye to his coworkers.